Baby, I think I'm finally starting to get you. She told me through her teeth and her perfume, I never wanna see you again. But in the morning, she's pulling off her clothes in the bathroom. I'm standing in the hall, I'll be gone soon. Who did I think I was? And it's breaking up again. Telephone lines wrapped around my neck. I don't wanna think about anything you said. And now you're living in the south side, staring at the cars as they pass by. You're drinking up the smoke if you're too high. You're never gonna come back down. And you said that it was Jesus who broke into your room in an earthquake, shook you from your bed, all the glass frames shattered on the carpet floor. And it's breaking up again. Telephone lines wrapped around my neck. I don't wanna think about anything you said. I don't wanna think about anything you said. Don't talk about me that way, I can't stand it. Dress me up and push me down the aisle. Raise your glass and won't you stay a while? You can take my eyes if you need to, they're always looking for you. Another branch offered for the pyre. Don't put me in the backseat, I'll stay quiet. Sing to me the FM radio and smile as you look out the window. Won't you tell me I look pretty, like the first day that you met me, and kiss me one more time before I go. And you tell me that it's raining. I can't feel it anymore. Don't paint the fence, I like the way it's fading. Cover me miss the way you held me in your arms. I'll be there when you come to.